Hello, welcome to Baking with Mon. Today we're in Sydney and we're going on the beautiful Mary Rose. She's a Benetti Super Yacht and we're going to bake Red Velvet Cheesecake. So come inside and let's go. So here we are on board the Mary Rose. We've got this amazing kitchen all to ourselves today. You can see there's storage behind me, there's a TV, we've got a dishwasher down here, the oven's over there and the microwave's just up here. So today we're going to make Red Velvet Cheesecake, and to start off with we have 350 grams of chocolate ripple biscuits. I have a quarter of a cup of almond meal, and I have 100 grams of unsalted butter, which I'm just going to melt. And then that's for the base. So I have this tart shell tin. And then for the filling we have half a cup of caster sugar. We've got 2 eggs. We have 3/4 of a cup of ricotta and 250 grams of cream cheese. And I've got 100 grams of dark chocolate, which is my favorite, which we're going to melt. To start off with, I'm going to put my chocolate ripple biscuits, my almond meal into a bowl of a processor and process that together until a fine crumb. So that's all come together nicely now, and it's ready to be pressed into your tart tin. So I have this one here. This is about a 10-inch tin. So you just want to pour all of that base mixture straight into your tin. You don't need to spray it with oil or anything like that, just all goes straight in. You want to press that into the base and up the sides just to make a nice crust. You can use the back of the spoon if you like. I just use my hands, I find it easier. Press it up the sides. Just like that. And then we're going to pop that in the fridge for about half an hour. Whilst our base is resting in the fridge, we're going to melt the 115 grams of dark chocolate just in the microwave. And then we're going to put our cream cheese and ricotta straight into the processor. As well as our caster sugar. I'm going to mix that together until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to crack in our 2 eggs. You can do these at the same time, we don't have to do them separately. Followed by about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. You can use vanilla bean as well. And process that together. So chocolate's now melted. And we're just going to add that in, followed by red food colouring, process that together, and then we're ready to pop it in our tin. So put that in the processor. Red food colouring, pop that straight in. I'm just going to scrape down those sides as well, so you can mix everything together into a nice paste. Just taking our tin straight out of the fridge. And we're just going to scrape this all over the base, and then we'll pop it into an oven at 140 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. And I always tend to just put a bowl of water or a tin full of water in the oven as well, and that prevents the top from cracking. So spread that around, flatten it out, spatula. There we go. And that's ready for the oven. So I've just pulled our cheesecake out of the oven, and that's ready to be set aside for about an hour to cool down, and then pop it straight in the fridge for about 2 hours to cool down completely. So I've just taken our cheesecake out of the fridge. I've cut out a little section, just one serving, and I've popped it straight on a plate just with the strawberry to garnish. Thanks everyone, I hope you enjoyed. My trip on the Mary Rose has been amazing. It's been so much fun, and the fact that I get to bake on here too has just been incredible. So like, comment, subscribe, love to hear from you guys, and we'll see you soon.